Hi guys, Marley here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will give you an update on the seeds that I planted a couple of weeks ago. These seedlings are for my fall garden. This is the butter crunch lettuce. As you can see, this is overseeded. That's a lot. Now we can harvest this as microgreens. That's not a problem at all. I might plant a few of them in my fall garden and then, eat some of them. Now this one right here is the Gourmet Blend, and as you can see, the germination is not that good. Now the next one is romaine. Look at that. There's only one that grew out of the so many seeds that I planted. And then this one right here, there's only one that grew, but it looks like the one next to it. This is supposed to be the tango leaf lettuce. It probably is tango leaf. And then the next one, this one has a very good germination. This is the slow bolt lettuce, the price head lettuce. These are the purple ones. Nothing grew in here. It's been 2 weeks, so I don't think that's gonna grow. Now over here in the for sale pack, the chard, the Swiss chard. Look at that. It's looking great. Now this one here is the curled leaf kale. I planted sage and the lacinato curl and none of them germinated. And then over here we have the purple of Sicily cauliflower. Now this one looks like the purple of Sicily cauliflower too. I think it just fell on that side. And then this are broccoli. So that's it. No cabbage and no white cauliflower, but that is fine. I got so busy with all the canning activities that I did. I canned tomatoes, I canned green beans, and so I forgot to take these plants outside as soon as they germinated. They stayed under a grow light, so they'll have to stay in my porch for a couple of days because they're not used to the sunlight yet. And then 2 days from now, we're supposed to get our first frost. But these are cold hardy, so no problem with them. I just need to acclimate these plants to the outdoors. And then after that, we're gonna plant this in my fall garden. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be busy today doing some yard work, and hopefully I can make some more videos for you from my garden. Thank you for watching and see you next time.